what is very, very core to the business, which you sort of, and you're an expert at it also. You know it pretty well. So for some time you'd like to keep at doing it yourself. But the operational work, which takes a lot of your time, and also you're not an expert at that, and plus the value of also is low, that is something which you should start delegating. One thing that which has worked really well for us, and it is very, very underrated also. And maybe in delegation sessions you won't hear it, but I feel very passionately about it. It has helped us scale. Is hiring right. Please, I would advise all of you, all entrepreneurs, to spend a lot of time in hiring right, hiring the team well. Get the best people, and when you hire, besides looking for functional competencies, that if you're hiring a salesperson, obviously that person has to be, has to know about sales and has to know how to sell, etc. That's common sense. But besides that, the three things which you should look at when you are hiring people, if you want to delegate tomorrow, are that the person should have a very, very high sense of achievement. He should be internally motivated. Karna hai mujhe. He wants to do something in life. He wants to succeed in life. Number two, he should be execution focused. His execution, time management, planning skills, they should be good. And three, a very, very high sense of ownership. I think what not to delegate, what I've observed in the journey in our organization is, in a sector like internet especially, new things are happening every day. You either discover new things suddenly because your competitor is doing it, and you sort of realize that okay, this is something which we hadn't even thought of, but it has become a reality. So stuff like that, which is of very, 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 very critical to the next phase of growth for your company. And at the same time, the skills are not. I'll give you an example. Suddenly the look and feel on the website and how the user interaction flows on the website has become very, very important. So that is something which is being spearheaded by the founders directly right now. Whereas a lot of other functions are delegated to the extent that they run like a machine. I can talk about the sales organization, for example, when way back in 10, 12 years back, when Naukri per se was small and young, then the founders were making sales calls themselves. When they were making sales calls, they were understanding various monetization products that they could put out. They were trying to solve customer needs. They were trying to then come back and make changes to the product accordingly. And all that had to happen very, very fast because they were setting up the product at that stage. So therefore, at that time, they were traveling 20 days in a month to various cities, and doing it with the frontline sales guy themselves. Right now, it's all delegated, to a very able sales head and the sales team, and it runs like a machinery. We have quarterly, 6 monthly reviews, and that's about it. But at the same time, now, as I said, look and feel has become very important, and user interaction, decides how successful your product is going to be, how many clicks will your site get, etc., etc. So all those functions are monitored very closely by the CEO or the core team themselves, and that's how we decide that okay, this is something. Sometimes you make that decision when you find a very, very able manager, who can run it on his own. And then you just trust the manager and just keep reviewing from time to time. So what not to delegate, something which is very, very key to you, something which is the external environment, something which is very new, it has just come. Nobody else has figured it out. So your time is required in that. And sometimes you may not like to delegate financial decision making to the core. You may like to, you're a founder, you're setting up, wherever there are financial decisions which have to be made, you may like to, keep the approving authority with you. Sometimes there's a time you figure out, a process around it. So these are a couple of things which come to my mind. Not a good delegation is that, just because you have someone as your subordinate, you just, give work to that person and then neither build a good system to, review work and then assume that that person will do it. And not everybody is made like that. There are a few people who are lucky to get such kind of subordinates, but essentially you have to build some systems, as my co-panelist also suggested, that there have to be certain matrices, there have to be certain deliverables on which that person has to be measured. So a good, how to delegate well is to agree with a person on a, and I'm not talking about big systems and processes, etc., etc. The system can be very, very isolated, but there has to be some system in which you are checking with your subordinate as to what is happening. Now, depending on the task, that checking could happen on a daily basis, on a weekly basis, on a quarterly basis. Depends on the, you know, this thing of the one interesting aspect that I'd like to bring about. I've seen, you know, this is more not for the entrepreneurs probably, but or maybe for the entrepreneurs, I don't know. But how many of you professional managers sitting here or HR managers sitting here? Yeah, okay. So one issue I've also seen is sometimes people do not delegate because they are insecure. At the subconscious level, they are insecure. They're not sure that you know, if they delegate too much, then will they be required in the system at all or not? And believe me, if you get stuck in that, you know, you will really regret later. Because if you do not make yourself redundant, how will you get new responsibility? So be in a growing organization, be in an organization which is growing. It's not decelerating, but at least it has got decent growth. And you know, the management will consider you for the top jobs only if you have free time to take up those new responsibilities. So, I've seen this problem with a lot of able people. They are very good technically, they are very good at their job, etc., etc. But they don't delegate enough because at certain level they are insecure. So watch out for that.